Back in 1981, a good friend of mine taught me an easy way to make window grill designs for burglar bars that can also be used for garden fences as well as stairways railings. This can be done easily and very quickly by using a small machine you can easily make yourself. It's simply a metal stand which has a small shaft held in place by two ball bearings, with a crank, by means of which a steel plate is rotated to roll the spiral design. The 1/8 by 1/2 inch steel used as raw material, here shown in red, is fed from the right side of the figure, and is trapped between one end of a spiral welded on the disc and a piece of an old course file used to increase the grip, so the final product is bent following the same shape. As the round metal plate rotates, the flat steel being bent is rolled onto the mold welded on the disc, against a third ball bearing which ensures the final shape tightly fits the spiral mold. To better understand this, we better take a closer look at it. The flat raw material is fed manually. The crank is rotated 360 degrees, and the raw material is rolled to the desired shape. Just pull it sidewise in order to release it, and put it with the material already worked. In real life, the process is done as fast as shown in the video. At the end of each cycle, the next piece of flat steel can be immediately fed to the machine, no time wasted. I hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Shava Tareen.